Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to view someone's story highlights on Instagram using your Android device, you're in the right place. Whether you're catching up on a friend's favorite moments or exploring a brand's best content, story highlights are a great way to see what matters most to someone, even after their stories have disappeared from the main feed. Let's walk through the simple steps to view someone's story highlights on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Next, head to the profile of the person whose story highlights you want to see. You can do this by searching for their username at the top of your screen or by tapping their name anywhere you see it in your feed or messages. Once you're on their profile, look just below their bio section. You'll see a row of circular icons. These are the story highlights. Each circle represents a different collection of stories that the user has chosen to save and showcase on their profile. Tap on any of these highlight circles to start viewing. The stories will play just like regular Instagram stories, showing you photos and videos that have been added to that particular highlight. If the highlight contains multiple stories, simply swipe left or right to move between them. This lets you quickly browse through all the content in that highlight at your own pace. When you're done viewing, tap the back arrow in the top left corner of your screen to exit and return to the user's profile. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can explore someone's story highlights and see the moments they've chosen to keep on their profile. Remember, highlights are visible to anyone who can see that user's profile, depending on their privacy settings. Thanks for watching. Now you know exactly how to view story highlights on Instagram, so go ahead and check out what your friends and favorite creators have saved.